welcome back to Big Run Creations. My lemon pound cake is done. Took about 50 minutes. I set it out to cool for about 30 minutes. Now I'm going to make a glaze to put over top of it. About 3/4 cup powdered sugar and about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of water. So we're going to start off with 1 tablespoon first. And see how that does. You wanted it at a pouring consistency where you can just drizzle it over your cake. And 1 does not quite do it, so let's try. This is a teaspoon here. You just go by a teaspoon at a time. You don't want it too runny, but yet at the same time you want it to where you can pour it. As you can see, let's get all the goodies off the spoon so we can get it all mixed in really good. What you're hearing is water boiling to sterilize some lids and some jars for jelly, grape jelly. Okay, I think it probably maybe a 1/2 teaspoon more. Like I said, you don't want it too runny, just enough. There, that's good. So, that's real good. Alright, now, we're just going to drizzle it over our cake. So pretty, isn't it? It's almost like an icing. I like its goodness. So I like to get all the goodies out of this as I can. There we go. Now, as you can see, it's nice and pretty. Now, let's cut a slice. And we're going to see how this tastes. I had to get me a little plate and a fork. Okay. Here's a bite for you guys. And a bite for me. It's really good. Really lemony. That's a good pound cake there. Well, I hope you enjoy. Hope you make this. Let me know what you make, or if there's something you want me to make, let me know in the comment section below. And please remember to like and subscribe, share my videos, and hit that bell button for any new notifications. Thank you for watching Big Run Creations.